is up, fellow YouTubers? Okay, why am I sounding British? Anyways, I think I just found the dumbest YouTuber. Just look at this video.
Oh my god!
What the fuck just happened? Besides brain rot. I really want to know what just happened. So yeah, panicking. And what the fuck is wrong? They just have a gingerbread man. Like, did it cost like $10,000 or something? Because no, seriously, I want to know why he's crying about a gingerbread man.
Oh my god!
Wow, they have a fucking gingerbread man. It's totally not like they can make one. It's totally not like they cannot totally make one. And wait, what was on the billboard? Hold on. Who the fuck is that? That looks like something from my nightmares. What the fuck?
No!
You don't want fucking cookies and milk. Okay. She drives in her car. There's the supermarket. And why the fuck is she laughing like a witch? Like, bro, we really don't... Okay, I don't know why I keep playing a Vine Boom sound, but let's just continue. And what the fuck is she... What the fuck is she doing? Besides cringeness. I have no words. Bro is turning into Goku. And then she fucking looks like something also from my nightmares. Does she not look like something from your nightmares? Comment down below. Or if the comments are turned off, tell me. Or if the comments are turned off, I'll turn them on somehow. I don't really know how to do it. I don't know how the fuck that happened. But, it did. So let's just continue. And he's sad. I don't know how we're 3 minutes and then it took that whole short. That is weird. Okay, so let's just go.
Her.
Help me!
What was it her fault? He fucking cutted her hair. I would do the same exact thing if my son did that. No, I'm just joking. It's a joke. It's a joke. Chill, chill, chill. YouTube, I'm just joking. And he's walking away with it. But how the fuck does a kitten fucking sew? I've never seen that. That is so weird. How the fuck can he make a dog out of it? That's weird. Alright, for now on, I'm gonna stop playing the Vine Boom sound. But anyways, let's just keep going. If something gets weird, I'm definitely playing it. Let's just continue. And he picks her up. Throws him out. I mean, she does have a point to throw him out. It's raining.
It was her.
Help me!
That was so weird. Let's just go.
Wow!
That was weird. First of all, how did he splash? I mean, it sounds like a fucking dolphin. Alright. That was fucking weird. And he laughs at them. Yeah, we get it. Fuck you. That cat is fucking showing no mercy. And why is he fucking crying? He's eating fucking chocolate cake. This fucking diabetes cat. Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up, you dumbass! Alright, I had to let it out. Subscribe and like. We're not fucking subscribing and liking. You always hold up these signs. We get it. We're not gonna fucking like and subscribe. Anyway.
Wow!
What? Why does he remind me of that one Tom and Jerry episode? Why is he like a fucking witch? Why is she shaking her gyat? That's so fucking weird. Why the fuck did they get it like that? We're pouring champagne. How the fuck did she know the code? It's the only thing I want to know. Oh, maybe the guy told her? Why the fuck? Okay, anyways, what's this? She has a bag of money, yeah. And he's fucking crying, yeah, fuck off, little crybaby. Anyway, let's just continue. Why the fuck is her whole living room swimmed with money? He did not have that much money.
Oh my god.
What the fuck just happened? Oh, yeah, she's shaving her hair. Oh, I did not mean to click that. Anyway. Oh, shut up. Alright, hold on. I don't know why the fuck he's doing that. It sounds like he's getting tortured. Good, my boy. You good, my guy? What the fuck is going on with him? That's fucking Gremlin. You know. What is that? Oh my god, wait. I need to zoom out. Okay. Or this Gremlin's like, he's trying to say what subscribe and like. We're not fucking subscribing and liking.
Oh my god.
She looks so fucking weird. They turned fucking like a furry. Although, I think they are. Alright. That was dumb. Alright, one more short, we'll put it because it's 12 minutes, 18 seconds when I'm saying this.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What the fuck? So first that happened. No one gives a shit about your little ass ring. Like, I really don't care about your little ass ring. Yeah. Then he's hitting one. But the fuck is he? That bitch is so weird. Wait. I never known that construction workers do that. What the fuck? Yeah. He's doing all this. Some money. Gets a And this black ass cat. Okay, I'm not trying to be racist. Okay, just YouTube, do not get on my ass about that. Yeah, it's kind of. I do not feel bad for this cat. But they do. Yeah, if you want to see more of this, like and subscribe. But if you don't want to, then it's fine with me. Just maybe edit. I don't know. See you in the next one. Peace. Why is it not off? Okay, actually.